Welcome to the Concepts of Cooking. My name is Joseph Pasty, and today we will be talking about creme fraiche. Let's start by washing our hands. Wash your hands really well. Wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. So what is creme fraiche? Well, if you're in the EU where they regulate the labeling of it quite strictly in some places, it can contain only two ingredients, cream and a bacterial culture. For me in the U.S., well, I should say in my case off the coast on a pirate ship, I also call soured creams creme fraiche, not sour cream. Those contain stabilizers, emulsifiers, and bulking agents. Soured creams are created by acidification, which takes place in cream at a pH level of 4.5. You can do that with citrus. You got grapefruit, limes, oranges, lemons. Ask me why my oranges are so ugly, but they taste better than yours. You can also do it with vinegars. Any vinegar you want. There's sherry vinegar, regular balsamic. You could even try Tabasco. I haven't tried that yet, but I probably will after today. For the traditional creme fraiche, the bacterial culture will use buttermilk. Make sure it says cultured buttermilk. Pour a little in the bottom. You can do the same thing with the acid for acidification. About the same amount, maybe a little less. Top it off with heavy cream. At least 36% heavy cream. Fat heavy cream. This container is brand new. That's to say it's sterile. That's very important because you're about to leave this on the counter. Put a label and date on it, expiration 2 weeks. Put it in a warm spot away from sunlight for 24 hours. Come back and check on it. It should be thick. If it's not, give it another 24 hours. If it's not thick by that point, I wouldn't touch it. I'd say it's probably too cold. So the reaction wasn't allowed to, the bacterial wasn't allowed to grow, or the acidification wasn't allowed to take place. I'd throw it out. This is the white balsamic creme fraiche on candy beet jam, which I make with red beets, candied in a gas streak of red wine vinegar and dark agave, topped with roasted candy stripe beets, golden beets, toasted hazelnuts, red pepper flakes, dill, and a white balsamic creme fraiche. I also got the traditional creme fraiche on a baguette with soft scrambled eggs, a house-cured and cold smoked salmon, dill, lemon zest, and fried capers. Thank you for joining me. There's a couple buttons down below. If you want to, do. If you don't. Either way, have it. And I'll see you next time.